Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So this is Rahul and behind the camera it's Nitesh. So today we'll be doing something special. We'll be making a cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake, right? So without wasting any time, let's look into the ingredients now. So we will need 15 to 20 Oreo biscuits, some melted butter, whipping cream, cream cheese, vanilla essence and powdered sugar. So guys, we'll take 8 Oreo biscuits from this packet and put it in this bowl. So let's start crushing this. We need to crush this very, we need a wet sand texture. So, after crushing this, we'll be adding some butter. So, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. So, guys, as you can see, you don't need to crush it to make it, in a powder texture. You can, keep it as much as this, some crumbles can be kept. Okay. You can see this is the texture. Like I said, we need some wet sand texture, so we'll be adding some butter now. We'll be adding a 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. To maintain the texture, if required, we can add on more butter. So let's mix this now. So guys, if you feel that the biscuit quantity is less as per your mold, you can add on more biscuits, and according to that you can add the melted butter as well. So as you see, it is properly mixed right now. So we felt the quantity will be a bit less for as per our mold, so we will be adding some more biscuit. You all can do it accordingly.
See, there is no hard and fast rule कि कितना बिस्किट ज़रूरी है करके. Since this would be the base for your cheesecake, you can add as much biscuits as you want. That would sum for your thickness of the base.
I guess we will have to add a little more of butter to maintain the consistency. I guess we are done. So we'll be using this removable base mold, which is specially used for cheesecake. So we'll be placing it like this, and the mixture which we have, right, the base, which we'll be placing on this. So we'll just dump this into the mold. Now we'll make this even. So the base is ready now. So we will refrigerate this until we prepare the cream cheese. So let's start preparing the cream cheese mixture now. So we'll pour 250 ml of whipping cream.
So for this we'll use an electric beater. So before we begin, it is important to note that कि जो whipping cream है, it needs to be chilled, and it is better that way. And when you are using the beater, you have to start slow while gradually increasing the speed. It is important that you whip it only till you get hard peaks, not soft peaks. Hard peaks are necessary because that will help you set your cheesecake. But if you make soft peaks, your cream will run out loose. So let's begin the beating process. can see that we have got stiff peaks for this whipping cream, which is required for our cheesecake. Now let's see the further process.
So we bought this cream cheese from Big Basket. This is a 150 gram box, okay, but we will need only 100 grams for this cheesecake, okay. So this is 100 grams cream cheese. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. We'll add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So we'll mix all these 3 things so it will blend properly.
So as you can see, everything has blended well. Now we'll begin with adding the whipped cream. So what we'll do is, at first we'll add half of the whipped cream to this cream cheese mixture and use the cut and fold method to mix it. We want to mix this so much that everything blends well. Obviously we don't want to overdo it, because that will make the soft peaks to appear, and hence your cream will become runny again.
So as you all can see that this is blended well. So now we will add the rest of the whipped cream. So we'll be using the cut and fold method again for this as well. So till it blends completely, we'll get the proper texture.
So Rahul,
Yeah,
इससे पहले कभी कोई केक बनाया है क्या?
that's a good question. So to tell you all guys, this is the first time I'm trying my hands on cooking. I mean केक तो दूर की बात है, मैंने कभी कुकिंग भी नहीं किया है. So this is a big challenge for me.
हाँ, but why are we doing this video today?
So as you all have seen us, generally we appear on a food challenge, or if you remember the previous food review which we did, right? So we thought, why not explore a different a different experience of cooking as well. Not exactly cooking, this is something dessert, right? So ये भी try कर लेते हैं. हमारे शेफ को हम बताएंगे कि हम भी कर सकते हैं खाना बनाना. So you all can see this is properly blended now. So now we will add on the crushed biscuits to it. So we'll crush these biscuits again.
So there is no specific amount that you have to use. You can use as you want. We are using currently 4 to 5 biscuits. Sorry.
We'll add the biscuits now. We'll again do the cut and fold process now. So guys, this is done now. So we'll get the base which we had kept in the refrigerator. Okay. So let's put this mixture into this. We need to fill this till it comes to the top. So guys, now the mixture is set on the mold right now. So we'll be adding some more Oreo to make it look more presentable. Okay. Yeah, so this is done. Now let's refrigerate this for 6 to 8 hours, or you can keep overnight as well. So hey guys, this is the next day now. So we had kept the cheesecake overnight, right? So now we will just demold the cake and see how it has come. So the cake is ready now. Let's cut it and taste it. So let's taste this. It's very perfect. I mean, I can't believe ये मैंने बनाया है. बहुत अच्छा है. It's very easy to try. You should try this and let us know if I can make this and anyone can make this. So do try this recipe. बताओ हमें आपको कैसे लगा ये वीडियो. For the first time I'm trying this. Let us know your feedback. We'll take that feedback and do much better. Right? So like, share, subscribe to our channel. If not, if you are a new person, subscribe to our channel and comment section में बता देना. ठीक है? Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Three.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today you'll be seeing me cooking. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing something special. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So this is Rahul and behind the camera Mitesh. So today we'll be making something special. So we'll be making a cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake. Okay. So without waste. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So this is Rahul and behind the camera it's Mitesh. So today we'll be making something special, a cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake. So without wasting any time, let's start and look into the ingredients. So we will need 10 to this is 250 ml of whipped cream. Then this is 100 ml, 100 grams. So we'll just dump this into the mold.
And I can see that in the reflection I am visible. Oh damn.
So this is 100 gram of cream cheese. Now we'll add